Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, now on its own dedicated channel. This is our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from MTH electric trains and ready-made trains. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. MTH electric trains will be releasing the Rail King O-Gauge 40-foot boxcar in 6 different road names, including a special MTH 45th anniversary scheme this fall. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2025. Car features include die-cast trucks and couplers. Available road names include B&O Time Saver, New Haven, Southern, Southern Pacific, Great Northern, and the MTH 45th anniversary car. The suggested retail price is $69.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge Imperial Y6b class 2882 steam locomotive in unique Norfolk and Western Tuscan colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The Proto-Sound 3.0 equipped locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $899.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP-7 diesel locomotive in Rock Island Bankruptcy Blue colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The Proto-Sound 3.0 equipped locomotives will be offered in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $549.99. MTH Electric Trains has also announced 2 exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP-7 diesel locomotives in Kansas City Southern colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. One model is decorated in the white with red lettering scheme, and the other in the classic black and white colors. The Proto-Sound 3.0 equipped locomotives will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $539.96. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Husky Stack cars in Monad colors with Mr. Muffin's Trains containers for, you guessed it, Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers beginning in August 2025. The early order price is $99.95. Ready-Made Trains has produced a number of custom-run PS1 40-foot boxcars for Hennings Trains, Patrick's Trains, and Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars feature full O-scale dimensions and are recommended for operation on O36 and larger curves. Visit the RMT Trains webpage or your local RMT dealer for pricing and availability. Ready-Made Trains has also announced a number of custom-run tank cars for the Choo Choo Barn, Patrick's Trains, and New York Electric Trains. These classic single-dome tank cars feature O-scale dimensions and die-cast trucks and are recommended for operation on O36 and larger curves. Visit the RMT Trains webpage or your local RMT dealer for pricing and availability. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and remember to check out our long-format videos on the Toy Train Tips and Tricks channel every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.